think I'd try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know.
Hi you guys, long time no talk to. So I really don't be doing talking videos since I do have a 3-year-old and I have 2 dogs, so they usually be noisy in the background. So I'm gonna try to do this, but if not, my husband, he's gone, so that's why they're barking and I think he's outside, but he's not outside. So you can see it's by Miss A, and I believe this is like a dupe for the MAC Blue Brown, because it's got you can't, let me see, I'm gonna try to show it to you, but I can't the lid. But yeah, I love this pigment, so I'm just going to show you how you can do a quick look using pigments and all of that. So I just got one pigment. Everything's $1 on that website, I believe. So yeah, so I'm going to use my favorite palette, my FENTY palette, and we're going to go with color, with shade. Shade, come and get it. And I'm going to try to do this for you guys, but this never works out too well. So, alright, so let's get started with this look. And it's going to be a tad bit noisy. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try. I'm trying something new again. I used to talk in videos all the time, but now, no. So it's going to be a tad bit noisy. If I go to voiceover, then you understand why it got pretty loud. So I'm just going to do Come and Get It inside the crease. This is like a rush, something rush right here. So you can put it all right here in the crease and also some on the lid. And I don't understand why my under eye is creasing. I think I done forgot to put some setting powder right there, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna fix it with some eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm just blending all of this into the crease. Just like this. This is how I do my eye looks, you guys. We're just warming up the crease. Come and Get It is a very, very pretty shade. We're just gonna do 3 shadows. So we're gonna do 2 out this palette and just the pigment, and I'm gonna show you how you can rock that for my beginners. If you're interested in pigments, I used to hate pigments. I kind of low-key still do hate a pigment. It just reminds me of like a broken eyeshadow and they just put it into a pot or something, if that makes sense. Like, it's like, what the fuck? So yeah, I low-key kind of still do hate pigments, but it's okay. And we're just gonna put Come and Get It on the bottom lash line. So yeah, it was creasing down here like a mug. I'm like, what the fudge? Like, what did I do different? But I did use I do love this. Oops, sorry. Uh-oh. Hold on. My focus, okay. I do love this. I guess my birthday, I do love this setting powder. It's in cashew. Oh my God. It's my favorite. And I also have got honey also. And I love that too. So yeah. So I hope all of you are doing well. I'm doing pretty good. My some of you know that mom had passed in 2018. So I'm just getting myself together, back recording again. Her birthday was on Sunday, so I'm just trying to get myself back together. And yeah, so I do be active on Instagram. Me and my husband gonna do some videos together, just to let you know. We're gonna do a couple of videos together, so to spice up this channel you know. I don't want to be like a couples channel, but I do want to have some different content on my channel. Alright, so now that we have this, I haven't used this pigment in my first time I used this pigment, so I don't know how this is going to do, but it looks like this. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start off with a flat brush to see. I don't know if I need to use glitter glue, so I don't know. Let me see. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't think I need to use glitter glue because it's sticking to the lid pretty well. But make sure, I usually do my eyes, you know, first and not the face whenever I do like actual makeup looks, because you will have fallout, but preferably we won't have no fallouts with this, but it's not guaranteed. And I'm not gonna go all the way I'm not gonna go all the way down here. I'm not gonna go all the way down there because that's where you put the liner at. So I don't want that to be too bulky because I still have not found affordable eyeliner that I truly love. I've been using this other one, but yeah. So yeah, this is what I like to do. I like to carve out the eye. I like to do like this back and forth with this brush and then just do like that. So Bae just came back home with some food. I'm back. I done ate. I don't know about this makeup look, you guys. I don't know. But Bae is true MVP because they brought me some food.
Yeah, you better say the correct thing. You better, no.
What?
I'm gonna address this right now.
What are you doing? You don't know the video about.
If
Can you see?
y'all can't see me?
No. Anywho, yes. So I don't know if I'm supposed to make up a little because
You better show them love.
when I came back in here, I did have fallout from this eyeshadow and it done pissed me off. But I had a headache, so now I'm back to the regular schedule. So I put my liners in here. I think I'm gonna do the neon blue liner with this since everybody's doing neon colors and glitter. And I'm gonna put on these lashes. I'm gonna do everything off camera because you've seen me do this plenty of times. So I'm using these lashes right here. It's by INV 3D collection, and it's in Chit 3D 19. These and this liner. This it doesn't say the name on here, but this is the PROFUSION electric bold liner. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on. Players make mistakes. Like I had a major headache, a hungry headache. But yeah, I'm back better. So I'll probably take some pictures or whatever, but oh well, everything ain't perfect. I'm human. It is what it is.